Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this drug box slash cosmetic box. It's called drug box because this is basically the kind of boxes that drug pharmacies use, or drug industries, pharmaceutical industries use to package medications. It's also what cosmetics vendors like lip gloss and body creams, this is what they use basically. So that's why we call it drug or cosmetic box. The measurement of this box is 2.75 by 3 by 1.5, and I'm going to be showing you how to come about this, how to sketch it, how to get it, and how to form it. All right. um, Join me as I show you step by step. So at first we need to make a sketch of what the layout will be, and I'm just going to do a quick sketch for you so that we can know the amount of the size of card to cut. Right. Anyhow you sketch it, you can put the width before the breadth and all. Okay, so this is what we need. This is always 0.5 is the info that we need, and let's make this the side 1.5. Then let's make this the breadth. Remember what we're making is 3 by 2.75 by 1.5. Okay, I'm keeping the sizes small so that you can be able to practice without any hitches. And let's make this 1.5 and 3. So first, the offset, the breadth, the length, the breadth, the width of the side, the breadth, then width of side and breadth. That's all that you need for horizontal measurements. Then for vertical measurements, you need 0.5 or 1 for infold. Then whatever you have as the width is what this must be. Okay, then the height is going to be this 2.75. We can also make it 3. Okay, then the same thing you did at the base is what you have at the top, 0.5, and the width 1.5. So let's calculate the total measurement of card we need for vertical and horizontal measurement. This is 1.3 plus 1.5 plus 3 is 4.5. It's 4.5, 4.5, that's 9. So this is going to be 9.5 by 2 to 2.5, that's 6.75. So 9.5 by 6.75, that's the size of card that we need. 6.75 by 9.5. Okay, so let's cut 6.75 by 9.5. Okay, so we have 6.75 by 9.5, and we are going to follow um, the the sketch that we have made. First, we start with the 0.5. So this is going to be 0.5. This is my 0.5. I'm going to leave offset of 0.5, and I'm going to score it here. Then next we have 1.5, which is the width. So I'm just going to measure for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to draw lines over the places that I am creasing so that you will be able to see what is being done and understand where I am cutting. So the next is 3 inches, 1.5, and the last should be 3, 3, 1.5. So I'm going to draw the line, and I'm also going to crease that point. Okay, so we have done all the vertical measurements. Now let's do the horizontal measurements. I'm going to be using this square to draw the horizontal measurement because the width of this square is 1.5. So instead of measuring 1.5 again, so 1.5 is the width of the side and 0.5 is the width of the flap. Alright, now that we have replicated the fold lines on the card, now I'm going to be showing you which sides to cut and which sides to retain. First, we have to choose to retain one side and cut away one side, and they are going to alternate each other. So I'm going to be cutting away this side, and I'm going to be cutting away this side so that this and this will remain. Okay, you can do it the other way around. You can cut this one and leave this and this, but just make sure that the ones you are leaving are alternating each other. So cutting this away, I chose the ones closer to the sides so that it will be easy to cut with scissors. Okay, so cut and stop here at this line. Stop here for everything you'll be cutting. Then we're going to cut off this this infold so that it will remain only the one on the height. Okay, then we cut off this extra here. Cut it off, so only this one will be left with its own flap, and you are going to curve it. Make a curve so that it will enter into the hole that is formed. Okay, we'll come to this side, stop the cutting here and remove this one. Detach this also, stop the cutting here, stop the cutting here and remove this one. Okay, then you fold this inward like this and cut this one off. Remember, we're cutting it away. Okay, you can see. Then make a curve of this one, then we're going to make triangular cuts like this, to help the covers to enter properly. Please just make triangular cuts. Okay, leave a small off cut here like this, and then triangular cuts on all the flaps. Right, we're good. Now we're going to just apply adhesive to the inner part of this, just a tiny strip, and to the outer part of this flap. blow some hair over it or wait for it to dry. Just a few seconds. Then you are going to close this like this and bring this like this. Make sure that the lines are corresponding. Then apply some pressure over it, over all the edges that you have. Now we see that the box is formed. Close the flaps and insert the base. Insert the flap. Okay, it's not fitting in, so we have to trim that insert. Okay, good. Now fold this inward. Okay, and it's fitting perfectly. So the same thing here, we might want to trim this one too. Okay, now there are other methods for making this. There's something called bleed cutting. I know some of you may know about it, where if you want to make in bulk, they're just going to do a template of a set of bleeds. It's going to cost a lot to do, and then they will cut everything at once, and then all you just need to do is squeeze it and be folding. That method also exists. I'm not nullifying that. I'm just showing you the hand way of doing it. You understand me? So the box is made, and then sometimes some people may want to put some transparent film so that they can show the product inside. So you will have to, before you put the gum, that's when you're going to cut the transparent and put it there before joining them together and folding it. I hope this lesson helped you to understand how to make this, and I hope it adds to your knowledge base for box making. Thank you for joining the course. I'll see you in another video.